The way we originally had it, it was definitely going to feel exactly like an interrogation. We were like, let's probably not do that.
Lie detector.
The rules of What's That RV are as follows. Sales professionals may guess as many times as they want under 30 seconds. The judge can give 3 hints: who manufactured the RV, the price of the RV, or an AMA section. Ask me anything.
Hey, this is Emmanuel Moreno with Funtown RV. I do internet sales for Funtown over all of our dealerships. I've been with Funtown for about 2 years, and today we're about to get What's That RV a shot, so let's go. All right, I think that's the easy one.
Okay, what do you think
That's
it is?
the Brinkley 3100, Z3100.
Correct. First one right. Okay.
Toss me a little easy one on that one, I see.
Let's go to the second.
Okay. This is a trail runner, I'm pretty sure. Can you tell me what the second number is on it?
So,
Is it-
you know, it's a Heartland.
Is this the 261 JM?
You're good at this. You nailed that.
Is that it?
Yep.
All right. So now at least if I miss the rest of them, we're in the clear.
You got 2. Okay. To the third.
Oh man, that's gonna be tough, bro. Is it a Sunseeker?
You'd be correct.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to tap on this one. I don't even really know what that one.
The answer would be the 2250 SLE.
It's a dope 4-plane though.
All right, on to number 4.
Okay. 248 BH.
Dude, this isn't even fun anymore. Okay, yep, you're good.
I gotta toss me some wins in there.
All right, let's see what you got.
Okay. I see we got the Waterfall Island in there, double lofts, the sectional. That's definitely gonna be one of the 42U destination trailers.
You nailed it. Congratulations.
Oh, that's not bad.
Okay. Next time we know, we got to go a little harder on you. Let's test Tony. Let's see what...
Oh, Tony's a pro, dude. Tony